If you have more than one Camtasia project file that you need to export as a video, then you can use the batch production options, which is located under File right here and under Batch Production. So let me just click on it, and once you do that, the batch production window pops up just like this. So now what you can do is you can select the files for all of the Camtasia projects that you want to export as a video. So I'm just going to go around, click on browse just like this, as you can see, and then bring in these 3 projects right here. So once I bring in these 3 projects, I'm just going to hit open, and you can see that all of the Camtasia projects has been accumulated right here in the batch production area. So once I do that, I can simply hit on next, and over here I can choose one of the presets which is available right here. So I'm going to choose MP4 only up to 1080p because I don't want any smart player to be exported. So I'm just going to go over here, or if you want each and every project file to have different preset, you can select this option right here, just like this. And then the project file will be exported according to each of these presets. As you can see right here, you can go around and then select out different options for all of these. So it totally depends on what kind of export you want to make. So once you're happy with the type of export you want to make, you can simply click on next right here, and it says project file has hotspots, so I'm not going to care. I'm just going to continue this out. So this is going to be output in desktop YouTube folder. I'm just going to rename this to Camtasia right over here, Camtasia test projects, just like this. And I have an option whether I want to organize the produce file into subfolder or not. And the show production result allows you to view the files right after it is exported. So I don't want to worry about any of these. I'm just going to leave them unchecked, and I'm going to hit finish. So it says create a folder because that folder does not exist. I'm going to say yes. And the folder is being exported, as you can see right there. And I don't have to export one by one video file manually. It just exports out all the files over there, and you can see that all the folders are all the files are being collected over here in this folder called Camtasia test project. So now you can see that all of the 3 files that I selected has been exported onto this folder, and it is available right over here. So just like that, you can utilize the batch export to export out multiple files all at once from Camtasia. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.